Cancer, May 2016. A woman in your life may not be a kind person. She may block important things from getting accomplished. Indication of stumbling blocks, which might be created by other people besides you, but the circumstances gives impression that you are doing all this. You may behave in ways that people find abrasive. You might be shooting yourself in the foot without realizing it. Communication problem at work, both between people and with things like computers, and information being misunderstood or misinterpreted. Assumptions can be very problematic now, both in established job and when job hunting. In love relation, be open to hearing your partner's point of view. If you are looking for love, you will have to work harder than usual to understand where your prospective partner is coming from. Don't assume, but ask. Communication and data mistakes can impact your financial life now. Check receipts and financial statements carefully. Your bank or a store could make an accidental mistake. Catching it could save high amount of money. Please remember to take the medication that you're on. Give this responsibility to the woman who is taking care. If you have concern about your health, this is an important time to seek medical attention. Leo, May 2016. Indication of swift and decisive action in form of sudden release of energy. Obstacles will be swept off, quick transformations and changes, arrival of news or information. This news could be disturbing initially, so stay alert. Pay attention to everything that comes your way. You are on the road to almost assured success. It's time for planning your next move and positive changes. Advancement is suggested and worries would reduce. Travel or news from overseas is likely. Fast moving events and actions. Don't make hasty decisions. If waiting for a reply, you will not have to wait long. You will have enough energy that is required to fulfill your goals. At work, you are probably waiting on decisions that have to be made by others. Chances are good that the outcome will be positive, so be patient. You may be feeling ready for a commitment that doesn't seem to be forthcoming. Don't push other person. Distract yourself and your beloved may be back to you before you know it. It's time to enjoy one another's company without fear or obligation. Things doesn't seem to be moving financially, not a good time to take speculative investment. Save money and watch your spending habits. Health-wise, you may be waiting for test result or for information what a particular health problem actually means. It may take a while to get to the bottom of what is really happening. Virgo, May 2016. It's time for teamwork, planning and competence. Very positive time, particularly with regard to work and career. People around you will appreciate you and your efforts. There is a need for planning and preparation. It's not the time to begin a project with only a vague idea. Do your homework and your undertakings will flourish. You have the skills and knowledge you need and the ability to get the job done. Rewards can be earned from proficiency. Profession will result in success. There is an extremely positive time with regard to work and career. Your work will be appreciated, and if you are seeking for employment, you can expect the success very quickly. In love relationship, if you are interested in someone, he or she will see you in positive light, although love has not quite developed yet. So there is a need for patience. If unattached, then you might meet someone through your work. Very good time with regard to money. You will get fair remuneration for the work you have been done. Keep a positive attitude. The rewards will come. Things are looking up now. Your health is likely to show a positive increase. It's the result of the work that you have been doing to improve your health. You are on the right track, so keep doing whatever you are doing. Libra, May 2016. Consider the feelings of others before you act. There is a very forceful energy. You may not be able to get a man in your life to change his mind or to do what you want. You may need to change something major about your behavior, thoughts, or expectations. A man in your work environment may behave or talk to you in a way that you find disturbing. But the truth is that you may be being too sensitive. He is just doing his job. If looking for a job, a typical man may be in a position to hire you, but you will have to impress him on every level to get the job. In relation to love, a strong, forceful, typical man may be part of the scenario. If this man is your beloved, it means that you have to accept him the way he is. He might mistreat you. Protect yourself. You need to fully understand and face the reality of your financial situation. Escaping from it will solve nothing. If you will be generous towards others, the rewards you reap will be more than worth it. Health-wise, you are having symptoms that are not specific. Be aware that your medical practitioner may order a billion tests. Educate yourself as much as possible and be an active participant in your medical treatment. Scorpio, May 2016. You may not be able to face life with courage due to lack of hope. You need to overcome your weakness and make best of the circumstances. Actually, you have a lot to be grateful for and you should count your blessings. Appreciating what you currently have in hand is the key to opening yourself up for more. Gather your courage and strength and put up a tough fight against your adversary. You may feel insecure. You might miss an opportunity if you will give up when you could be so close to finish line. Work should be going well. There is no need to push too far too fast. Love should be going well, but make sure that you don't overestimate the strength of love relationship. So don't push the boundaries too hard or you could be end up unpleasantly surprised. Money should be flowing well for now. You don't assume that current prosperity will necessarily continue forever. Don't gamble or borrow finance. Health wise, you are likely to be feeling pretty good. This is a great time to correct bad habits if you need to do so in order to protect your health. But don't do that too quickly or too forcibly. Slow and steady wins the race. Sagittarius, May 2016. You might be feeling that you are trapped in a situation, but it can be only an illusion. Trust yourself and you always have options. Help is always available. You might try to break free from the psychological chain that binds you. You are more open to change as you are ready to move on with your life. Your heart strives for liberation. You will be able to reason out your desires and work towards internal fulfillment. You should be very selective in respect of choosing friends. Don't pay attention to gossip and rumors. Avoid manipulating tactics, underhand actions, or any illegal or immoral act. Be aware any job that claims to be permanent and secure is unfortunately unlikely to be so secure. If you are not happy in your job, this is not the right time to go for a change. In love relation, you or your partner may feel boundation or being trapped in the situation. Consider taking a break from your dating. Money seems to be flowing well right now, but still be careful while spending and save for a rainy day, as this financial situation is not permanent. Health wise, you need to watch out for being overworked, overtired, and overstressed. Exercise will help, but don't don't torture yourself. Capricorn, May 2016. There may be open conflict and competition in career or work. Take one step at a time and think before you act or speak. You need to believe and trust yourself. Don't be hasty no matter how angry you get in coming days. Indication of litigation, disputes, trickery, complications, contradictions, and frustrations. People may misunderstand your motive or vice versa. Tensions are likely, but you should not give up. There is a need for broad-minded approach. You will face a competition which will be neither fair nor honest. Disputes and legal problems are indicated. There may be dispute coming up at work if you are currently employed. Think calmly and avoid arguments. If you are looking for work, don't be discouraged by the competition out there. In love relationship, there may seem some conflict on the surface which is actually beneficial to your relationship. Or you might be involved with someone who is not moving forward. You need to be patient. If you are having money difficulties, this is a time to carefully question your old assumptions. You may have assumed that there is nothing you can do to cut your expenses or bring in more money. Think again. Health wise, you might be trying to deal with physical pain. Please don't ignore it and take it seriously. A diet change may help. Heat and massage are also often useful. Aquarius, May 2016. Indication of new beginning, which might start after some kind of separation, either from relationship or from a job situation. You will be already having a good idea of what must be done. In career, you soon will try a different technique or even choose to leave the job that you are currently in. At office, you will be having good ideas for policies and procedures that will make everyone's life easier at work and improve the bottom line and final product. You will ultimately get the credit for anything good that you do. In relationship, you are ready to start something new. In committed relationship, you might put a stop to something. Don't hesitate to speak your mind. If something in your relationship is hurtful for you, speak to your partner about it. For the time, you might feel that you have lost your relationship after doing so, but actually, you won't. In fact, your relation will become better. Now is not the time to take chances with money. You may be approached for a loan, but please don't lend. Otherwise, your relationship with your prospective borrower could suffer or even destroyed as a result. In terms of health, you may finally leave some of your bad habits. Take good care of yourself. Physical exercise is particularly important now, but don't overdo it. Overall, it's time for ultimate victory. Piscean, May 2016. Things in general are very likely to be going much better than you would expect in near future. You may finally get a well-deserved rest or break from your hard work. A wish might be coming true in a positive way. You will become more mature about yourself, about other people, and about the world. You may find others uncooperative, which will be reason of delay in things. You could be preparing to start your own business in some way. You can expect good things with regard to what you do. Recent difficulties in your love relationship may be coming to an end. If you are looking for love, someone may try to establish a relationship with you. Things will shortly be looking up for you financially. Increase in income through collaboration or cooperation with others. If you have financial question, find a good advisor. Your upcoming health report will be better than you had imagined. You are on the right track with regard to caring yourself. Keep it up and keep doing good work.